So Street Library Australia is a not-for-profit and a charity. And what we do is we kind of organise a community of street librarians. So we encourage people to set up their own street libraries. And what we really like to do is register all the street libraries so that they appear on our map. And that way, wherever people are around the country, they can type in their postcode and see what street libraries are in the area around them. And that way they can access books anytime. The purpose of street libraries and the point of our organisation is to encourage and promote literacy and reading of books through all ages and all stages of life, and also to connect members of the community. It just kind of goes out and you never know where it's going to end up. They just get picked up and go to someone else's home, and it has another life, and someone else enjoys it, and then they might give it to a friend or put it in another street library. I think reading is the foundation of all learning, so I think it's something that we really need to actively encourage now, because there's a lot of distractions and there's kind of a move away from books because information is just coming in so many different forms these days, but I just really hope that people don't lose sight of how special and how important books are.